Hi, I'm Richard from ITS, and this is the long-awaited DCP580. It's an 18-volt cordless lithium-ion planer that joins the Dewalt XR range. So it's compatible with all of the Dewalt XR lithium-ion batteries from 5 amp hour all the way down to 2 amp hour will all work with this machine. It's a cordless and brushless tool. So it's got a brushless motor, the latest cordless power tool technology. It means that there are no carbon brushes in here, which means there is no heat and friction that gets generated when you're doing your job. That means that none of the power from the battery is getting drained and wasted on that, generating that heat and friction. So all of the power from the battery is going into your job. Which means you're going to get decent run times, you're going to get really good capacities, and because there's no heat and friction building up, your motor is far better protected going through longer term. On the underside then we see our reversible 82mm planer blade here, which generates your maximum cutting depth of 2mm. On the side we've got a little compartment for replacement blades, so if you are going along and you happen to hit a stray bit of metal, a nail or something, you can get one of your spare blades out nice and quickly. It also has an adjustable dial here at the top where you can increase or decrease that depth by 0.1 of a millimeter each time, and that's indicated by both these lines and the click, so you can go from 0 millimeters all the way up to 2 with every single 0.1 variation in between. The maximum rebate depth on this is 9mm, which is market leading for a cordless planer. So it's a very, very good, handy and powerful machine. On the right hand side we've got our dust port for all our dust extractor adapters that can be attached to there, and of course the Dewalt dust bag which can be acquired. Again, just keeping with the bottom here, we've got the foot lock off. Now that's a standard on most planers these days, so when you're not planing but you want to put it down, you can put it on that foot and that keeps your blade away from the surface. However, that can be a bit irritating if you wanted to start planing. So Dewalt have created another feature where you can pull that back and then it's got a little lock off on it. So if you don't want to, not too worried about protecting your blade and you want to keep planing, then you can put it on that and that foot isn't then going to drop down and stop you from planing away. So there you go, it's a really good, welcome addition to the range. It's going to be very, very popular indeed. The 82mm capacity, 82mm blade with a 2mm capacity per pass. It's the cordless, brushless, 18-volt planer, the DCP580, and that's available at ITS.